What's up guys, my name is Stefan and welcome back to 12 Days of Chelliko. Today is sadly the last day, but Merry Christmas to all of my fellow Orthodox Christians. So today is Christmas and sadly 12 Days of Chelliko is ending. I always feel bummed when I have to end this series. I wish it was Christmas every day. Again, I want to wish you a Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and have a great year. So I will continue doing quizzes because that's a series I love and I love learning new stuff. I want to achieve my New Year's resolutions. Also, the New World 2 is coming, so be excited for that. I'm going to continue doing CSGO videos, but this time I'll start doing competitive, hide and seek, whatever other game modes you have. And I want to start doing monthly update vlogs because I've seen a lot of people do them and I want to try and do them because I want to see what I have achieved in the previous month, and it's like fun watching them after a year, after 2 years. Like, I enjoy watching my 12 Days of Chelliko, for example, from 2017, from 2016, when we haven't even renovated the house, and it's kind of weird seeing me in like the room which is now my room. Like, that was our living room, so it's weird. I know this has been a short video. Hopefully, if everything goes well, I will see you on the 25th of December 2020 with the 5th season of 12 Days of Chelliko. So if you enjoyed this video guys, don't forget to leave a like and also share it with your friends. You can check out the full playlist on the outro, and my name is Stefan and I'll see you all later. Bye, stay strong.